Hey guys,
Have some cuteness from Madam Glam. So let's get to unboxing these. I love the packaging. It's super sleek and matte and beautiful. I love it. I had a little difficulty opening this at first, but let's see what we got. Okay, so inside this super beautiful packaging was my 3 colors that I selected, which we're gonna swatch because I love this packaging. It's so pretty. Okay, they also included a no wipe top coat and a soak off base coat. They sent me the cutest message inside here.
Hello glamorous, welcome to our influencer community. It's our pleasure to have you on the nail team. We believe that when talent meets amazing products, magic happens. They are vegan, they don't use any animal derived ingredients.
I love this. The first color that I'm going to be swatching is Pink About You. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth and so shiny already. I love the formula. So good. Oh, look at how beautiful this pink is. This pink screams Barbie. I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it so far. And let's use our mini Madam Glam light. Look. And it comes with a charging wire. Yee. Look at how. Lord. Look at that. This is so shiny and velvety. Look at it. And it self-levels like no other. Flawless polish application I've ever got. How cute, how simple. Next, I'm going to be swatching this beautiful jelly blue. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Let me just let this level because I keep swiping at it, and Madam Glam's polish is really that girl. So let me put some respect on it and let it do its leveling thing. Top coat. So I'm giving the top coat 10 out of 10. I'm giving the base coat 10 out of 10. These 2 colors that I've tried so far, 10 out of 10. Definitely doing a Barbie set. Already know what I'm doing. I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I'm one of the first colors that I fell in love with when I saw it. And it's so ironic. The name of the product is First Base. Like, first base? You get to kiss me? No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I know it doesn't get to kiss me. Now we're gonna do first base. Remember, I already put my base coat down and cured it, so let me just take this off. This one is a little thick, but I love it. Like, it's thick in a way that allows it to give the most coverage and the most self-leveling, which is something I noticed right away. I totally don't need a second coat, but I could do a second coat if I want a second coat. But do I need a second coat? Absolutely not. Really not understanding how it's so great. Madam Glam polishes are that girl. Like, I feel like I want to try their Polygels next because you guys know I'm a Polygel girl. These colors, ladies. One is the Pink About You. This is first base. This one is first base. Jelly, which is In All Honesty. Hearts. I'm gonna use some heart charms. And some of these. I already have my foil glue on for my pop-off base, Madam Glam base coat to adhere my tips. I can make some really good press-ons out of these sets that I do for you guys, but I always only do one hand, so yeah. Now onto the set.
colors are so pigmented and opaque. I love them, and they're so smooth. I love this formula.
The direction I want to go in, I have a direction today. I want to make a Barbie ombre look. Like, I just want the top to be a nude polygel and the bottom to be this banging hot pink. And I want to use my large stones. I've been into that lately. I kind of want to switch out, but I'm waiting for these gel paints in the mail. So when those get here, it's up and it's stuck. Guys, why did I just get into an argument with a guy I'm dating about holding him down? Like, I was in that situation before, but like when I was, like, I just didn't know what to do, guys. Like, I really didn't know. Oh, I messed it up. I really didn't know what I was gonna do. I never had a guy go to before. So I'm just there not knowing what to do, really. And I know a lot of people say, oh, hold the person down. But I didn't feel like that's what I needed to do with my life. The relationship was a little rocky before he had went in. I wanted to break up with him and everything. But it's like I didn't break up with him. I stayed with him even though it was difficult. Yeah, but great quick chat. My advice, don't do it. The guy that's trying to convince me to do it, find a different line of work, hun. Absolutely not. If you guys want a story time on my prison bae experience, let me know in the comments, but that's for another video, okay? Okay. Using my wood stick today because the brushes were not giving and I wanted my set to come out super cute, so I didn't have time to be playing with a brush. I can shape it up just as good, if not better, with my cuticle stick. So you see me popping a bubble there, and we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna smooth it as much as I can with my cuticle stick before I go in with a brush and blend the ombre down. Using a small bead on the top by your cuticle will definitely save you time and effort. Guys, could you please recommend me some large polygel brushes? My brush quality sucks. I've been trying to find a brush for months, and every time I think a brush is good, it's not. I really love thumb application. Who else loves thumb application? And speaking of thumbs, if you're still watching, please like this video. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Like, these nails are popping, are they not? Do they not deserve a thumbs up? Madam Glam, do they not deserve a thumbs up? Guys, although I absolutely love this color combination, I know I'm gonna love this set. I really do want to try to do the water nail trend. I know I'm a little late, but it's still relevant, so I want to try to do it. I put some styles up on the side so you guys can help me choose, but I just don't know which one I want to do, but I definitely want to do some water nails. Let me know in the comments which one you like the best. I'm doing this application in real time. I really want you guys to see how the polygel moves and how the formula can be manipulated with my cuticle stick. I just dipped it in alcohol once and it's smoothing everything out. Look how beautiful it looks. This pink, like, and I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still want to party. They came out. So far, I have not capped the ends of them. This is just the top, and I'm gonna cure them, and I'll be right back while I'm doing my capping. I lied. That polygel beat me up. That clear beat me bad. Look at all those bubbles. Let me try to buff them out. Shaping with my 180 grit file, and thanks to my wonderful cuticle stick, my cuticle work is going to be a breeze. Now, okay, so we're back with these beauties, and now they're all ready to be buffed, and then I'll hit them with the top coat and some shine. I got a little bubbling. That polygel was being such a menace. Now I'm all buffed out. Look how cute. I'm gonna go in with my Madam Glam top coat. It's so juicy and smooth. I love it. I'm gonna put some top coat, a little bit of rhinestone glue, and I'm gonna apply the stones to each nail and then cure them. I wanted to use my chunky stones because they're just so cute to me, and I love the way the stones looked. I don't think they're AB. I don't even know what number that is, but yeah. I wanted to get into it so you guys can get into these Barbie nails. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave some feedback. Talk to your girl. So, like, to be honest, I do my nails like this so long, but in the real world, I would never wear them this long. But look at how cute they came out. Like, look at my Barbie nails. And I used my teddy bear. I've been waiting to use this teddy bear for so long. Madam Glam, thank you. Look at how fire this set came out. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. It is free. Bye-bye.